In today's video, we are doing a right here, a unboxing and setup of the AirPods Series 2 with the wireless charging case. Okay, so yeah, this is the Series 2 with the wireless charging case. As you can see, compatible with iOS devices, Apple Watch, or Mac with the latest software. Turning around, this does charge via Lightning. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, yeah, so previously on the channel I did like a AirPods setup video a while back. Maybe, was it like 3 years? Yeah, it was like 3-ish years ago. It was a while ago. This didn't exist, so I almost got the Pros. I'm like, well, yeah, I'll just trade these in for the Pros, but they're like $150 more. So like, I don't think it's worth it. What you get with the Pros is noise canceling, transparency mode. Was that it? Just noise canceling and transparency mode? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. There might be like a few other things. You are also sacrificing an hour and a half of battery life with the Pros. I'm not really sure if that's a deal breaker, but I personally, in my opinion, I just don't think it's worth the extra $150 for me. So that's why I just want these. I do like the wireless charging cases because, like, if my phone is occupying the fast charger, the wired fast charger, I can just drop this on like my 5-watt IKEA lamp, and just charge it up. So yeah, in terms of the box, there's nothing really noteworthy. You can see here it's the wireless charging case, AirPods Series 2. So AirPods Series 2, they do have the Hey Siri feature. So you can just say Hey Siri with your AirPods when your phone's when your phone's away from you, sorry. And then you can use Siri commands with it, and then in addition you can also get the wireless charging case, which is a step up. Or if you have the AirPods Series 1 or the 2s, you can also purchase the wireless charging case separately if you do want it. Yeah, so let's open this up. I did clean my Remington knife. As you can see, there are a few still smudges. I had a hard time getting that off. I'll maybe need like a stronger cleaner. Not really sure how that got there in the first place. Maybe I need to clean like the inside of the knife. But yeah, alright, my typical unboxing knife. I don't want to damage the box, so I'll just like cut right. I'll lay it down. Was that good enough? Oh no, I can just get in and start slicing. Okay, so we have some stickers here. And then something else that I believe are these actually stick out. I can't remember if this was on the first the AirPods Series 1s. They are nice though. Wow. Alright, just going to lift the lid with this perfect fitting Apple box. I might have to like pull it. Okay, perfect. I like the Apple boxes so much. Okay, and then it says designed by Apple in California. With this, I got my Apple, the AirPods Series 2 with the wireless charging case. Alright, and we got AirPods instruction manual. These are all instruction manuals. Yeah, they are. Oh, you got like two little booklets. Is one in English and one in French? No, they are both in English. Okay. Interesting. And then, does it show you how to, like, set up? Apple products are, like, extremely easy to use, so I don't imagine anyone would actually need it, but it's nice that it's there. I do like it. What is this booklet? Writing's tiny. Okay. So one side is in French and the other side is in English. Can I just... go like that? Hopefully. Will they fit back? I don't know. If I just shove them back in. There we go. I'm going to lift the AirPods out and then we can come back to them. I'm just going to pull this and this releases our USB-A to... I wish it was USB Type-C because those are a lot faster. But okay, that's it. And I believe Apple does ship in a biodegradable container, so you can just drop in water and it will disappear. I might test that out. Maybe, maybe not, and I'll just put this back. Alright, I'll just pull the stick tab. Comes done very nicely. Pull this. And, oh, it just slips out. Alright, very nice. I'll get my phone all closed enough. Alright, I'll open settings. Go to Bluetooth. So I have Bluetooth. Can I open these? Then what would happen? It is nice having like a clean AirPods case. I don't know. I've always failed to clean them, but yeah, they get dirty. I mean, I'm not really sure. I might just have to take them into Apple as soon as they get dirty. Oh, isn't there like a... Oh, it's this button right here. I have to hold down to pair. Isn't that? That's how the last ones worked. Do I hold? Or do I just... So far nothing's come up. Is there like another button? Or is it just... this one? Do I close them? Do I leave them open? Oh, I have to close them. Oh, and boom, here is the animation, ladies and gentlemen. Grab the AirPods, and then I'm just going to click connect. Setup hit. Nah, I'm not going to do that. Announce calls and notifications. I'm going to say customize. And then not now. And then Orion's AirPods are connected. Alright, I'll actually play something just to test these out for you guys. My ears. Oh yeah, this is a good fit. I definitely like the hearing tip of it. Could I watch a video and then maybe play some music just so I can see? Oh, these sounds good. Okay, so if I play this video, turn to like halfway. Yeah, this sounds great, actually. I'll play some music. What should I play? Alright, maybe something more Dominion based, but that sounds great. I want to like challenge these more. It's like something, that one song that I like really liked in Ryan Ingram's playlist. Blue Emerald, there it was. I'll turn it up a little bit. Sounds good. What else? Nice. These sound good. Okay, I will say that these do, lack a little bit of bass. Obviously I have experienced it before. I do own the Sony XB900Ns, which are amazing, have amazing bass. And they do like shake, like you can actually hear like the bass shake. It's crazy. I imagine that's how it would sound on the Pros. But I mean, yeah, you can decide, like, do you think the extra $150 is worth it to get the Pros? Maybe that's not what it is in the US, but it is what it is here in Canada. About 150 extra bucks. So yeah, if I need that, I'll just switch over to that, but these will be great for the gym. And pretty much that's it. Like on like runs, that's when I really like to use earbuds, because when I'm like sprinting as fast as I can't really use like over-ear headphones, because they're just gonna like fly off my head. Weightlifting, it's okay, but runs, it's really not, or like any like form of cardio, you can't really use over-ear headphones. But yeah, I'm just going to plug them in on the wireless, or sorry, not the, how do I see if it's, okay, hold on, so if I go like that, yeah, okay, they do work. place them down. Interesting. Alright. Weird. Do I mean, okay, do you need the wireless charging case? No. It's definitely not something that you absolutely need. But I personally think it's nice just to have, if you, like, if money really isn't, like, if you can spend extra money, you don't really care, just go all out, buy the Pros. The Series 3, I personally think they don't really have a place, just because, well, you know, I'd take that back, maybe they do. They're almost as expensive as the Pros, but significantly worse than the Pros. So, that's why, I just think go for the Pros over those, or just go for the standard AirPods. And you can't buy Series 1 anymore. Pretty sure you can just buy Series 2 or Series 3 and the Pros. And the Series 2 with the wireless charging case. Or just the wireless charging case. Series 2. Alright, is there anything else to talk about? No, I don't think so. Comment down below if you have any more suggestions. And, yeah, that will be it. I guess, alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment if you want to see something, or don't, you don't have to, I don't really care. But yeah, alright, thanks for watching, peace out, guys.